Guys, we're at a neighbor's house. He's trees that he said we could cut up, so they're already down. We're gonna try to clean them up. I think this is probably an hour and a half worth of work, maybe 2 hours. Got my sister here, brother-in-law, but we're basically just cutting this wood for Dad. So Dad's got his dump trailer here, and I've got the vermeer. So we'll use the grapple, pull that stuff out of there, bring it out here where we can cut it, and then get it in the trailer and haul it out. So we'll get started.